This is a private label brand that is available in California and is manufactured by Daikin Comfort Technologies Manufacturing LP, which is a part of Daikin Industries Limited. The units feature louvered metal panel construction with a powder-coated finish for durability and to protect the condenser coil from mechanical damage. They have variable speed blowers for quiet and efficient operation, as well as all aluminum evaporator coils which resist corrosion. They feature durable stainless steel heat exchangers and can easily be field converted for either downflow or horizontal installations. The units use direct spark ignition, which is not as reliable as brands that use hot surface ignition. The units are backed by a good guarantee, but it does not include unit replacement in case of compressor or heat exchanger failure. The APG-M3 model combines a basic single-stage 13.4 SEER 2 efficient air conditioner with a single-stage 81% AFUE gas furnace. The brand does not offer models that qualify for the HvacRepairGuy Premium and Ultimate categories. This brand receives an overall 3-star budget pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.